have all sorts of products for styling my hair, different brands, different types of products. I rotate through a bunch of them, but today we are going to be styling my hair exclusively with Olaplex products. I am choosing to only use my Olaplex products today to style my hair because that is a brand that I do get asked about a lot. It is a little bit on the expensive side, so it is a brand that people often want to feel confident in its abilities before they shell out the money for it. So we're going to be using 3 Olaplex products today. There are others, but these are genuinely the 3 that I use on my hair on a regular basis. You don't see me use them a lot on my channel. That's not because I don't reach for them. It's simply because up here where I film, I don't keep them. I keep them down in my salon, but I went down and grabbed them for you today. I use them on my clients a lot. So I do use them on myself, but more so when I go down and do my hair in my salon. I don't keep them up here in my bathroom. So first we're going to be using the Olaplex No. 9. The Olaplex No. 9 has heat protection, it has shine, it has what they call style memory, so it's just going to help your hair maintain any style that you style in with heat. And it's also good if you air dry. You can put this in when you air dry your hair as well to help with anti-frizz and soft texture. But if you do blow dry, it also has the heat protection, and it is just going to help to protect and repair your hair from any heat or damage. Next, I am going to use my Olaplex No. 6. This is my favorite smoothing product. I do use this one on my channel quite often. It can go in wet or dry hair, and it does not have heat protection, but it does have smoothing, anti-frizz, no flyaways. It helps to speed up your blow dry time, and it's just going to help to make your hair really smooth and very, very manageable. And last is one of their new products. It is the Olaplex Volumizing Blow Dry Mist. It is also going to help blow dry your hair faster. It has heat protection. It has anti-humidity protection. It has anti-frizz. It's very weightless. Helps to make your hair look healthy. And I love a good misting volumizer for our fine hair. But honestly, I find all 3 of these products, even layered on together, are very, very light and weightless in fine, thin hair. So as usual, I just had my hair washed and wrapped up in a microfiber. I'm just gonna shake it out. I have not brushed it, and I'm not going to brush it. I'm gonna start with my No. 9. And I don't use a ton because we don't have a ton of hair, so we don't need a ton of product. Just 3 little drops, just that much right there. Emulsify it through my hand so it's easier to spread. And then I run it through, starting at my ends and then working my way up through the rest of my hair, making sure I don't miss those front pieces. Then we got the No. 6. This one is just 1/2 pump to get about that much. Again, rub it through my hands. And this one, I focus mostly on the mids and the ends of my hair. I don't really get it into my roots. If you have really frizzy, curly hair that you're going to try and smooth out, you probably want to put it everywhere, but my frizzies really only show up on the ends and the mids of my hair, so that's where I focus. And then we have our blow dry mist. We're going to lift up our roots and spray it in. And then we just blow dry. There we go, all styled. You can see that I did round brush the parts at the front of my head a little bit. That's just because I want to make sure the hair around my face is smoothed out as much as it can be. And if I just rough dry without the round brush, then it's not as smooth and I don't get quite as much volume around my face. But you can see these products leave my hair bouncy, full, definitely not weighed down, even though I did put 3 products in my hair after shampoo and conditioner. And I'll show you over here where the light is better, but my hair is so shiny all the way down to the ends. Looks and feels amazing. So if you have been wanting to try out Olaplex products, give them a try. They do work super, super well. They are totally worth the price, and I do have a few of them linked in my Amazon storefront because you can find them all on Amazon. Just make sure that if you get them on Amazon, you are buying them from the Olaplex store, not from a third-party seller, because then you're just not sure if it is real Olaplex or not. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. I hope that helps and gives you an idea of what you're going to get from purchasing these types of products. If there's any other products that you guys want me to try out and show you how they work, I would be happy to do that. Just let me know in the comments below. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and like and subscribe so it helps me out. Bye, guys.